Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Calendar in Outlook and creating a new appointment. This is faster than hunting settings. Set accurate start and end times so your calendar reflects availability. Change the show as field to out of office so colleagues see you are unavailable. Add a clear subject and optional location because recipients scan titles. Once done, avoid adding heavy details here. You will refine message content in the next step and enable automatic replies to notify senders properly. Next, set automatic replies from file so senders get an explicit out-of-office message. Write internal and external versions and include return date and alternate contact. Back in the event, paste a brief message and list a delegate or backup contact to handle urgent issues. If this absence repeats, use recurrence or mark it all day. Make sure privacy is set if details are sensitive. Once configured, verify the event and reply templates match, so recipients receive consistent information. Finish by saving the appointment and sending updates to anyone invited. That ensures meetings are aware of your status. Inform your team and confirm delegates have permission to manage or accept meeting requests while you're away. If the out-of-office status or automatic replies don't appear to others, make sure Outlook has synced with the Exchange server, disable problematic cached Exchange mode briefly, and verify automatic replies are enabled at the server level. If issues persist, restart Outlook and recheck settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.